Kevin Costner files new divorce order to prevent estranged wife from removing items from $145 million estate. Yellowstone. Actor Kevin Costner was recently ordered to pay Christine Baumgartner $129,755 in child support. Kevin Costner filed new divorce documents against Christine Baumgartner to ensure an orderly process, as she vacates their shared beachfront estate outside of Santa Barbara, California. In new documents obtained by Fox News Digital, Costner's legal team filed an ex parte application to prevent petitioner Baumgartner from removing respondent's Costner separate property from his home, and to ensure an orderly process for the removal of her separate property, if any. The Yellowstone actor argued in the application that, under the PMA premarital agreement, there is no community property. Baumgartner was ordered by a judge last week to vacate the separate residence of their $145 million Carpinteria compound by July 31. Petitioner's counsel has stated, in writing, that petitioner plans to remove many items which are not petitioner's separate property, documents stated. Petitioner refuses to sign a stipulation that she will not do so unless and until there is a written agreement between the parties. Costner purchased the property before their marriage, and a premarital agreement allegedly stipulated that she would not only move out of the home within 30 days, but also no longer live in any of his properties if they divorced. Her team argued that the Santa Barbara housing market made it difficult for her to find a new home adequate to suit the needs of her 3 children, but Judge Thomas Anderley denied Baumgartner's request to move out of the residence by August 15. Her legal team filed an objection to the ex parte application, and requested the court to deny Kevin's application outright and allow the parties to work out the personal property issues themselves, as is customary in divorce cases and appropriate given the level of wealth involved in this case. Any disputes can be resolved at the time of trial. In her objection to the ex parte application, Baumgartner's legal team wrote, Kevin is angry about the court's recent ruling on the child support and fee request. Judge Anderley ruled that Baumgartner will receive $129,755 per month in child support. Costner will be required to pay $200,000 in attorney's fees and $100,000 in forensic costs. The estranged couple will each be required to pay 50% of their 3 children's health care expenses, sports and extracurricular activities. Baumgartner initially requested $248,000 per month in child support or, in the alternative, at the guideline rate of $217,300 per month, payable on the first day of each month. She also requested that Costner fully cover their children's private school tuition, 100% of their health care expenses, extracurricular activities and sports. Her request that the court order Costner's payments to be made by automatic transfer was denied, per court documents. Baumgartner first filed for divorce from the Field of Dreams actor on May 1, citing irreconcilable differences. The date of separation was listed as April 11, 2023. They both filed for joint custody of their 3 kids: Caden, 16, Hayes, 14, and Grace, 13.